In most major U.S. cities, they become de facto homeless shelters. And now Denver's public library is embracing that reality and trying to help. Denver 7's Jennifer Kovaleski is live at the Central Library tonight. Jen?
Well, Shannon, a lot of people say that these public libraries have become the new homeless shelters. To better serve that need, the library has hired people who have lived through homelessness in hopes of inspiring those dealing with it now. It's a place that's full of resources, but there's a growing need at the Denver Public Library that can't be fixed with a book.
Libraries have become a community center because we do so many other things besides check out books.
Meet Sarah Humble.
I've experienced some of the things that I think some of the people here are experiencing, and that's one of the things about being a peer navigator is they want people who have lived experience.
She's not shy about her past.
I have lived on somebody's couch and lived in somebody's business illegally.
Or why dozens of homeless people line up here every morning.
It was a rainy day, and there were probably 40 or 50 people, and they're waiting to get in the library because it's a safe, warm place, and it is not safe and warm on the streets.
She's one of 3 peer navigators the city has hired part-time to help those in need get back on their feet by pointing them to the right resource.
They can say, look, I've been there and look where I am now. Like, you can get out of this.
Social workers were first brought into the library in 2015. Since then, the number of people they've helped is up by nearly 200%.
It's a real honor to be able to help people and give some resources.
Peer navigators like Humble are a new idea.
This is not something that's happening in every library.
She hopes can make a powerful impact.
If you don't have a job in a month or two, it could be you. It could be every single one of us, or at least most of us. I don't think people realize that. I really don't.
Pretty cool stuff happening at our libraries. Now, this program is being funded with federal grant money and will run through the end of the year. Reporting live in Denver tonight, Jennifer Kovaleski, Denver 7.